How to log into Walmart reward card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Walmart reward card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, simply search for Walmart reward card on your web browser. So there you can find several different websites. We'll just head over to this one, Walmart Rewards MasterCard. After you're here, you'll find a sign in option right here. Tap on the sign in button and it will redirect you to another page. That is Walmart Rewards page, so let it load. And while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. And there we go. This page has loaded. Now all you have to do is enter up your username here and then your password. After you do that, tap on the sign in button and then you'll get logged in. And that's how easy it is to log in into your Walmart rewards card. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.